back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today I have the pleasure of taking a look at a woman's exclusive. This is the Jordan 11 Animal Instinct. Let's take a quick sneak peek. What's up everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the women's exclusive Jordan 11, and this is in the Animal Instinct color scheme. So as we know, in 2019, Jordan also did a Jordan 3 in the Animal Instinct pattern, and this one has that similar look to it. So we're going to go through the overview of this, then jump into size and fit, followed by styling. And also be sure to click the links down below on the styling section. All of my looks are from Jimmy Jazz, so be sure to head on over to my links in the description box if you are in love with any of the pieces that I decided to style the Animal Instincts with. All right, let's jump right into it. So this is just a really eccentric looking shoe. Again, this is a woman's exclusive sneaker. So sorry fellas, if you're in love with this and you are a bigger shoe size, you may be out of luck. But for all the ladies out there, if you are in love with animal print, which has been trending for quite some time, I honestly keep asking myself, at least in the fashion industry, when is animal print going to be on its way out? Well, still in, as we've been seeing it on the runways, but this is actually real fur. So you've got pony hair that's used throughout this silhouette, and it's different prints of animals, which is kind of cool. I love that we've got some zebra and almost leopard patterns going on throughout. They really just mixed it up, and we've got that sail color scheme that's intermixed in the black hair, and it really just kind of defines the sneaker, specifically on the front of that toe box region. As we work our way up, we do have black nubuck, simplistic black laces, and then again that nubuck tongue, and then peeping through there we've got the Jordan logo in that pop of red color scheme. Let's take a look at those details, and then let's move on to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we have again more of that just really furry feeling going on here. It's extremely soft, I'm not gonna lie. And you can see that it does look very luxurious when you look at this animal print, but that animal print does work its way to the side panels, as well as more of this black soft nubuck. As we work our way to the back, we have nice 23 in the red color scheme, which I think really pops quite nicely off of the black color scheme. And then we have a nice Jumpman logo in all black. and then more of that fur on the other side of the paneling. On the inside, we do have a black and red insole, and then the shoe is then completed with a white simplistic midsole and then this really cool smoky translucent outsole. There you have it. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to size and fit. All right, so moving on to size and fit. Again, this is a women's exclusive, so this will be in women's sizing. So I am a true women's size 9, and in the Jordan 11 silhouette, and specifically this one, I would say stick true to size. Again, I do have high arched narrow feet, so depending on whether you have flat feet that are on the wider side, this could also differentiate a size that works best for you. But don't make the mistake of trying to purchase this in a men's sizing, because this again will be a women's sizing only. So definitely stuck with my size 9 and it worked out perfectly. All right, now let's jump into styling. So as far as styling goes, all of my pieces are from Jimmy Jazz, so be sure to head down to the description box below if you're interested in buying any of these pieces, which I think worked perfectly with the Animal Instincts. For the first look, I wanted to just kind of give it a all black look. Obviously, I think this is a statement piece, so I really wanted to keep it pretty simplistic. And so I wore a Nike zip up hooded sweatshirt, and this is quite nice. I mean, it's very simple, but it does have some nice kind of dark charcoal detailing at the top. And I went with a matching pair of sweatpants, again with the same detailing. I do love a good matching set, and I feel like this set really just nailed this on the dot and really made this shoe the standout piece.
Fill the darkness with a bit of gray to my bay. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's so baby, how you turn it around. I can seem to find a way to hunt you down. What's the matter, lady? Why you acting crazy? I can make it alright. I can make it alright. Gotta turn the tub around. Gotta make you feel right. Gotta clean your dirty ground.
For the second look, I wanted to bring some color into the mix. I love mixing red when it comes to any kind of animal print. I think that it just goes very well. And also there are red accents throughout this shoe, so I also wanted to play off of that. So for the second look, I wore some simple Nike leggings in a charcoal and black color scheme. And then for the top, I styled it with this hooded zip up underneath, but then I layered that with a North Face Nuptse crop top coat. And I think that it really just went well as a look altogether. For the last and final look, I wanted to dress it up a little bit, but still keep it sporty. So I decided to wear a kind of tight fitted Nike dress. It's got some nice gray ribbing on the top part of the arm and, or on that sleeve. I think that just black and gray also great color combo for this color scheme. And since it's a little chilly outside here in New York, actually, understatement, it's extremely cold in New York right now, specifically with the wind. I kept on those Nike leggings, but of course you can always just wear that dress on its own.
Shall I come around to ease you down? Do you wanna keep my head so deep in the ground? What's the matter, baby? Why you make me crazy? Oh, I'm turning around, wanna get out of it, but my feet in the mud. My emotions are so high, but my heart's on the ground. What's the matter with me? I am going crazy to the beat of the sound, the beat of the sound. I keep it low, you can keep it, I'm letting you go. Some love is all I wanted to show.
So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these? And don't forget, if you are in love with any of those pieces like I was in styling this, be sure to click on those links down below.
Good at what I do, I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. They wanna judge me, I'll testify. Catch me on Insta, I'm verified. They want me quiet, I amplify. I'm on my way to the best thing that you've ever seen. You know that you bow to the queen. You lose all your senses and reason. I'll give you something to believe. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do, I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do, I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. Yeah, OMW, nothing left to prove. So enjoy the view, taking a picture like Malibu. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home, I'm on my way, on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do, I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do, I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. On my way, on my way. On my way, on my way. On my way, on my way.
All right, so if you're interested in purchasing the Jordan 11 Animal Instincts, these will be releasing on Black Friday this week, and they will be releasing at a lot of different places. I will have a link down below for you, but definitely snag a pair. I think these are definitely unique and a great addition to Jordan's holiday releases, and it's definitely a statement piece if you're interested in styling these with anything for the next winter season that we are now in. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning in, and be sure to hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, check out that join button for all of our membership perks, as well as our merch store. That's it for this episode. My name's Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.